We have a first alert weather day in place for severe storms and flooding risk tonight into tomorrow. And as we take a look from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker, we are seeing a severe thunderstorm warning north of Washington and Marshall County. And that storm is expected to move into Marshall County in about the next 10 to 20 minutes, producing around 1-inch hail and potentially gusty winds as well, towards severe levels upwards of 60 miles per hour. But as we track out our main threat, we will see this cluster of storms move through the area as we go through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning through at least noon. And then we could possibly even see some storms develop south of I-35 and maybe even a few to the north of I-35 between I-70 and the I-35 corridor as we go towards the afternoon and evening hours. We do have this enhanced 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather in place today, telling the possibility for quarter-size hail, 70 mile per hour plus winds, and a few brief embedded and weak tornadoes throughout northeastern Kansas. And then we have a slight risk south of I-70 as we go throughout your Sunday for those storm chances as well. As we take a look at our future rainfall amounts, this is our biggest concern right now. We could see anywhere between around an inch upwards of 6 inches through around midnight going into Monday morning. So I need all of y'all here in northeastern Kansas really to take any alerts seriously, any advice by your emergency management if it regards to flooding, because this is the type of flooding that will cause potential damage, especially near rivers that overflow and crest high. So we are very concerned about the flood risk right now, seeing moderate 3 out of 4 excessive rainfall risk for today going into tomorrow. So y'all do need to take this seriously, as the risk for flooding is very high because of the saturated soils that we've seen and because of the rain that is to come. We have a flood watch in a result until around 1 p.m. tomorrow that could be extended for much of the area. But currently from our Midland exterior sky cam in Concordia, it's dry, but we're seeing dense cloud cover and seeing that cloud cover as well from out in Manhattan. As you can see, Bill Snyder Family Stadium out there. Current temperatures in the 60s and 70s across northeast Kansas right now, and into the 80s as well south of the I-70 corridor, while your dew points are in the 60s. So it is mild and humid across northeast Kansas, with our wind speeds starting to pick up as that cluster of storms out in southwest or northwest Kansas starts to move into the area between around 5 to 20 miles per hour. Today's forecast overall 70s and 80s, and we have seen partly cloudy skies. As we move into tonight, we will be in the 60s and 70s with storms. Tomorrow we will be in the 70s and 80s with those rain chances. 8-day forecast overall, we have that first alert weather day, lingering rain chances as we go towards the end of the week, and potentially some more storms as we go towards next week. And your first alert umbrella winners are Aletha Wilson from Topeka, Jonathan Stark from Wakarusa. Scan the QR code here or visit our website.